Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that national interest is of paramount importance in the functioning of the government. Addressing BJP party workers on the 42nd Foundation Day, Mr. Modi said the country has policy, intent and decisiveness. Sri Lankan President Gotabaya Rajapaksa has revoked the state of emergency, which was declared on April 1st amid widespread protests following the nation's economic crisis. Ayush Ministry will celebrate Yoga Mahotsav on World Health Day at Red Fort in New Delhi tomorrow. Parliament has passed the Delhi Municipal Corporation Amendment Bill 2022 with the Rajya Sabha approving it on Tuesday. With 1,086 new coronavirus infections being reported in a single day, India's total tally of COVID-19 cases on Wednesday rose to 4,30,30,925.